So I'm going to take you through a demonstration of all these new capabilities and how it's really going to help you improve your sales accuracy and make your reps a lot faster. So we're going to go back to Karina. So Karina is one of our field users that we just saw a moment ago. And Karina just did a joint business planning session, but now she wants to actually start executing orders in the outlets. She wants to look at that new promotion she's created. She wants to add some bundles and some units of measure. So how can she easily take these complex orders, these really sophisticated orders, but make sure it's done really quickly, really easily, and it's accurate as well? So let's swap over to the demonstration and we'll see how Karina tackles that. So here I am back in the mobile experience, logged in as Karina. This time I'm using an iPad. So the mobile experience obviously works on phones and tablets. And I've started a new order at one of the Fresh Start Shop outlets. When I click Start Order, I get my product catalog. So this product catalog is specific to this customer. So the assortments, the SKUs, the promotions, the bundles, everything has been calculated based on the customer's segment to make sure that this is the accurate suite of products that we can sell to this customer. In addition to this, we get all of the customer-specific pricing and discounting via the commercial policies. We can see on the top left the credit amount and other account details for this customer. And I can very quickly and easily scroll up and down the catalog and search it and filter it to find exactly what it is I need to be selling to the customer. So there's a number of things I can do from here. The very first thing is I can start to add very quickly and accurately all the different products that this customer might request. So if I click into one of these squares, I get the new enhanced keypad, which is much easier and quicker for just typing and tapping in numbers. So for instance, I can add 10 of these into the cart and I can click next. And this will immediately take me into the manual discount step and pop open that keypad again. And I can say I want to give a 20% discount for this one and click next. And now it brings me down to the next line. So again, I'm very able to quickly and easily just start adding items to the cart. I can give discounts where needed. I can skip ones that I don't need to give a discount to. And it's just very quick and easy to add these items to the cart one by one in a very, very efficient manner. In addition to this, I have the bundles. So if I click into this alcoholic drinks bundle, this lets me select how many of a specific bundle I want to add. So I might want to add 10 of this bundle. And when I do that, it calculates the bundle quantity. So you get 2 of each per bundle. And it calculates the total price. And I can add that to the cart. Now that was a drinks bundle where you can see a different collection of drinks within a single SKU. But you might also have, for instance, like a new customer bundle. And in here you could have merchandise combined with your products. So for a new customer, you could simply add one of these. And it's going to add the branded fridge freezer and then some of each of our popular SKUs into that cart as well. Along with the units of measure, along with bundling, we also now have our units of measure capability and our stock capability. So if I click on this top item here, this is actually the Duke Premium Blend, and this actually comes in various different units of measure. So here I can see we have a single, we have a case which is 6 pieces, a case of 24 pieces, and then a pallet which is 240. And we can see stock-wise, we've got 520 of that single. And if you look down at the pallet, that calculates to only 2 pallets available. So as I start adding items in here, so let's add a pallet. You can see that the singles quantity is actually reduced by 240 pieces because it knows that all of this is a combined inventory that we're taking it from. You can either do it as a combined inventory or each of these pieces can have individual inventories of their own. So it's completely up to you how you want to manage it. But again, as I go through and modify one of these, the others will come along and be updated as well. So you can see the stock is updating it in real time. Now the last thing I want to do as Karina here as I'm configuring this order is add a promotion. So I added some bundles, I've added some product SKUs, but now I want to actually add a promotion. So if I click into my promotion section, I can see all the promotions available for this customer. And if I scroll down, I can see the Fresh Start Summer Special is available to me. This is the one that I agreed regionally with the HQ team using that guide in the previous demonstration. So if I click on that, it now gives me this guided experience to make sure that this promotion is configured correctly and we confirm all the compliance steps that were needed as part of that contract. So the very first thing I've got is display a fridge at the front of the store. We have to have that. It doesn't let me deselect it. And then we also have if you're displaying that fridge, you get the 10% off the alcoholic beverages off invoice as we agreed. So we can add as many of these as we like. And when we're happy with that, we can confirm the selection and we can go ahead and submit that promotion to the cart. Now if I click on the cart, we're going to see absolutely everything that we've added so far. So we see that promotion front and center at the top. We can also see all of our bundles in blue there with the quantities that we can edit. And then we have all of our standard products that we are added and all of the commercial policies being applied and discounted appropriately as well. So even though that was a really sophisticated order, there was lots of stuff going on, Karina was very easily able and quickly able to add in bundles, products with unit and measure, regular products, promotions, in an extremely efficient manner using the new grid interface, using the keypad, and having access to all of those capabilities at her fingertips. So let's just have a little recap about what Karina just did. So we saw Karina start the store's order and able to easily review all of the correct assortments, products, promotions available to that specific customer. We then saw how Karina was able to configure the order, adding the SKUs, adding the bundles, the precise units and measure to optimize absolutely everything about that order. And then we could see to finish the order, Karina was able to add that new promotion and able to quickly configure it, making sure that all of the contractual stipulations were adhered to when adding that promotion to the cart of the outlet.